Can you repeat again?
No.
Huh? తనయుడు చెడిన తండ్రిది తప్పు. తండ్రి మతలబ్ you know. తనయుడు I tell you. తండ్రి means you know. Father. Okay, తనయుడు means son. Okay, తనయుడు చెడిన తండ్రిది తప్పు. If son almost yeah. Reverse.
The son does bad, the father does bad? No, father's wrong.
If a father misbehave, son gets spoiled. Like that.
Son gets
Spoiled. For example, if father gets smoke,
yes.
Naturally son also get addicted to smoke. Correct?
Yes.
If father go morning walk, the tendency of son also goes with father. Correct? John. Correct?
Follows the father.
Follow the father. Correct?
Yes.
Like that, if mother is good, almost daughter also be good. If daughter gets spoiled, the mistake, that result goes to the mother. Like that horse. కూతురు చెడిన తల్లిది తప్పు, తనయుడు చెడిన తండ్రిది తప్పు, ప్రజలు చెడిన ప్రభువుది తప్పు. ప్రభు మీన్స్ కింగ్, ఈస్ ఎ కింగ్ ఆర్ ప్రెసిడెంట్. కరెక్ట్? Correct? So, education different from the degree. Correct? Literacy different from the educate. Literate and educate, both are different. You didn't?
What's literate? Literate means
Who can read,
Oh, okay.
who
yeah.
can write,
Oh,
they
yeah.
called literate. Not with the degree, they are educated. People are educated not by certificate. Educated means they are well behaved. Well behaved people are educated. So you are obeying your mother?
Sometimes.
You are good.
Yeah.
Very good or
She
good?
does. I don't know.
She is good. She is innocent. Correct?
Yeah.
Correct. You are very good also. I told you what? Bangar Talli. Where is Bangar Talli? You understood Bangar Talli means? So, Bangar means gold.
That's what I was.
Mama said that Tali means mother, right?
What Amma told?
My mama told that Bangara means gold and Tali means mother.
Yeah, Bangar Talli. Yeah, Bangar Talli means in our mood, eldest mood, you are too good. Not very good. You are too good. And if you are not too good, we say Garid good. You know Garid good?
No.
You don't know. You know, Garid means donkey.
Oh.
Garid good. Good means egg.
She called
Donkey egg.
Just kidding. Huh? So I want to know about your spiritual question. Okay. Tell me, who is God? Who is God?
Who's God?
Creator.
Yes. Where he lives? That's good. In any other answer, anyone? Miru, చెప్పండి.
Everywhere?
Easy. Actually, I want to give a gift to her, but without getting one answer, I don't want to give. That's why this fidget. I want to give a gift, but after getting answer only I will give, because you are black. You are suitable gift for you.
Thank you.
Good? Matching?
Yes.
Very good. So, ఇది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి మనం. We should remember. Omnipresent. God is everywhere.
Omnipresent.
Omnipresent. God is everywhere. You are right. She said first like this. That is also right. At the same time, this is it. That's why in Sanskrit it is said Anuchayantarastaram. You repeat, people. Anu.
Anu.
You also. Anu.
Anu.
Chayantarastaram.
Chaya.
Antaras.
Okay, I split it. Anu
Anu.
Chayanta
Chienta.
Rastaram.
Rastaram.
Means God is everywhere in even a small atom,
He's always
because He is in our heart. Hridesh Arjuna Tishtati. It is said in Bhagavad Gita. He sits in everyone's heart. He's watching everything. He's watching everything. We may close our eyes. Like there is one proverb. Cat drinking milk and closing eyes.
I told
You told?
cat drinking milk by closing its eyes and thinking that nobody is watching the cat, but everybody can because other people are not closing. Okay, you might have heard of yeah, but I did.
You understood?
yeah.
So cat maybe close eyes.
Yes. Everyone's still watching.
Like that. We may think,
No one's
but God is inside, no?
Yes.
There is one story. One kid. What is your age? How old is he?
7.
7.
6.
6. Okay, we fix
I
it.
thought 7.
You are 6, we fix it.
Hand, the cat.
Okay. Maybe his age, one boy. Very good boy. His guru. Guru means teacher. He is always very close to him. The rest of the students are envious of this boy because he's very close to Guru, and they came to Guru and complained to the Guru. Why you are very close to him? Oh, he is not good. Then okay, you must understand with a lesson, not by lecture. He gave one banana to everyone. He instruct to them, you go anywhere, you finish this banana, but nobody should watch. Okay? This is the only condition. So everyone went somewhere and come back. They ate. They finished the banana. And how you finish the banana? He asked one student. Sir, I went to room. Ready, I went to room. I closed like this with cloth. I ate. Nobody watched. How you? And then I went to one well inside the water. I finished this banana. One fellow.
Wait, can I help? Did the student not eat, the good student did not eat the banana?
Correct. You're right. This good boy, who is very close to the Guru, he came along with the banana. Then everyone surprised. Why this guy didn't? Then this teacher questioned. He asked give one answer, but this boy says, why didn't he eat? Then he said, he replied, Guruji, you said you should finish this banana without watch by anyone. But how I can? Because everywhere God is there, even in my heart, He is watching me. How I can finish? That is called understanding. That is called understanding of God. God is there, everyone. So He is not my enemy. Because God is there in His heart also. He is not my enemy. Because God is reside in His heart also. Even maybe He is arrogant to me. He is against to me. Still He is not my enemy. Why? Because He is also part and parcel of the God. I teach you one sloka, you learn. Maybe here one sloka is there. Can you read? Maybe. It's read one small letters. I need space. Very good. I tell you. I get it. Trividam. You repeat. I tell you. Chappan andaru. Trividam. అందరు చెప్పాలి. త్రివిధం నరకస్యేదం. మీకు అదే వచ్చిందా? సేమ్ శ్లోక? ఓకే ఒకరికి ఒకటి వస్తుంది అనుకుంటా కదా. ఓకే, వాళ్ళు ఏం రాశారు? త్రివిధం నరకస్యేదం ద్వారం నాశన మాత్మన కామక్రోధ తదా లోభ తస్మాత్ ఏతద్ త్రయం త్యజేత్. So now we listen this translation from Ditya. One translation, you read.
There are three gates leading to the hell of self-destruction for the soul: lust, anger, and greed. Therefore, all should abandon these three.
What one should do? These three are the gates for the hell. Correct?
Yes.
We should abandon. Correct?
Yes.
So, are you greedy, anyone? You are greedy for something?
Greedy.
Greedy.
Like you want it.
Like,
I only want it. No issue. Like that.
this is called greedy. I want all this for me only. I don't give to sister, I don't give to brother. You have that mood? No. Good boy. Good. What's your name? Advik. Very good. So one should not greed. The next one? Lust.
Lust.
Lust means a desire. Desire for everything. I want a helicopter. A big desire. No need, na? You get one small,
Bike.
correct? Correct. Playing a helicopter, no problem. Correct? And last one? Krodha. Krodha means anger.
Anger.
How many times you get anger? In a month?
Oh no. I don't really know.
Huh?
You get it sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes
Ah.
I'm like,
So, anger on Amma.
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 Nana. Yeah.
Amma Nana. So, why you get and how you react?
so like, even like they don't really, when they yell at me for no reason, like I don't do it. I don't really yell at me. That's what I think. So then I get mad.
Cry.
Yeah.
Crying. Bangar Talli crying. Oh, even you know Bangar Talli. When even movie, if a girl get tears, I get tears. Movie is action, no? Even action I can't bear. Real means I get tears. Oh, Bangar Talli should not get tears. Okay? Because you are Bangar Talli. Because you have one more Bangar Talli. Correct? Bangar Talli have Bangar Talli, na? Correct? Na? Very good girl.
Whenever I get mad, I think about all the things they do for me.
Oh.
ఏమంది?
నాకు ఎప్పుడైనా కోపం వస్తే అంటే మా పైన కోపం వస్తే ఆమె మేము చేసిన గుర్తు చేసుకుంటా అని చెప్తుంది.
That's why Bangar Talli. Correct? This is good quality, you know? See, for example, he is my friend, Aloka. Vilok. When I get angry, I should remember the past.
Food, dinner, defense.
చూడండి మీ గొడవ రెడీ
ముందడి
చూస్తున్నారు.
తర్వాత మాట్లాడదాం.
అవునవును. ఈ బంగారు పిల్లలు కదండి వీళ్ళు.
నేను బాగా వాచ్ చేసుకుంటాను వీడియోస్ అని.
సార్ వీళ్ళు వచ్చే తరం కదండి వీళ్ళు. వీళ్ళే సార్ జాతికి ప్రపంచానికి విలువైన వాళ్ళు. వీళ్ళని కాపాడుకోవాలి సార్. నేను ఏమంటానంటే ఆ ట్విన్ టవర్స్ స్కూల్ చేశాడే సిచ్యువేషన్ ఏంటిది లైట్
అటు సైడ్
అవేమో ఓ సంథింగ్. నాకు వెలుగు లేకపోయినా ఇరుకు హృదయాలు ఇరుకు రూము రెండు నచ్చం. వాడి పేరేంటి? బిల్ లాడెన్ ట్విన్ టవర్స్ స్కూల్ చేశాడు కదా. నేనేమంటా అంటే వాడు కూడా చిన్నప్పుడు పాలే తాగాడుగా. వాడైతే బ్లడ్ ఏం తాగలేదు కదా. మరి వాడి హెడ్ ఎందుకు అలా పాడైపోయింది? ఏదో పుస్తకం మస్తకంలోకి ఎక్కింది అందుకు పాడైపోయాడు. నేనేమంటే వాడు కూడా పాలే తాగాడు. అది ఇది ఆన్సర్ నాది కాదు, భౌతిక చెప్తుంది. కారణం గుణసంగస్య అసద్యోనిషు. డ్యూ టు ద బ్యాడ్ అసోసియేషన్ he gets spoiled. Otherwise he is also be good. He studied engineering something, correct? So our behavior depends on our friends also.
Yeah, that is
Our environment also. So my question, for example, how you consume this biscuit?
You eat it?
How you eat? Like this? Correct. If they serve you chapati, how you eat? Because your mother, correct? You know. Otherwise, you know, you will eat only with a spoon. You know, with the fork, you take chapati ni murder చేస్తుంది. Because she taught you learn, correct?
Actually, my uncle taught me that.
ఏమో అనిస్తుంది కమెంట్.
Yeah,
uncle
but,
చెప్పాడు.
అబ్బా
but she was part of it.
That was fun.
She
Very
told
good.
me not to.
Very good, very good. Always Bangartali is Bangartali. So we should learn because our life till end of the breath, last breath, we should learn. I read one story when in your age, one old man, Japanese, is learning one new language in a ship, the long trip in the ship. One boy came, young boy. Hey, old man, you're going to die now. You're already 80 plus. What you're doing? I'm learning. What do you use? Learning before burning. Then he said, learning is required for everyone who is on the earth till the last breath. And when we are in school, we got one lesson, maybe in 7th class or 6th class, maybe you people knows, one old man, this mango seed story. మీకు గుర్తుందా చిన్నప్పుడు? పోనీ మీకు ఐ టెల్ యూ వన్ మూవీ, తెనాలి రామకృష్ణ.
ఓకే.
This Tenal Ramakrishna become wear like old man, appear like an old man, and in one mango garden. చేసేది ఏమిటో చేసేయి సూటిగా వేసేయి పాగా ఈ కోటలో, ఎన్ని కష్టాలు రాని నష్టాలు రాని చేసేది నీవు ఓ బాబయ్య. బాబయ్య చాలా మంచి మీనింగ్ ఉంటుంది. వేసేది ఒక్క మొక్క, పూసేది ఒక్క పువ్వు, కొమ్మ కొమ్మ, చాలా మంచి మీనింగ్ ఉంటుందండి అందులో. సో one seed of mango, but how many fruits? So many, no? Correct? We should do good to the society. That's the lesson. The old man seeding one mango seed in the planting. One king came on the horse. Hey, what are you doing? You're an old man, huh? So you're so greedy, eh? You're so greedy. So you want to eat mangoes, huh? He's kidding. Huh? So when this mango grow, when it get fruits, flowers, and when you eat, how greedy you are. Then this old man replied to the king, it's not for me, for the future generation. I told with them, you are the future. You are the future. If you are good, the future is good. Before that, I speak with them about one terrorist. Twin Towers. There was Twin Towers, you are not born.
Yeah.
That time, of course. So I was shocked. 25 years ago, one Belgium devotee, we are in Tirupati, he brought newspaper. That time, no
Yeah,
cell phone, no?
Yeah.
He's showing me. Twin Towers collapsed. Why? What happened? One fellow, he hit with the airplane. So he's an engineer. Engineer is supposed to build the building, not the collapse the building.
Destroy.
Not destroy, correct? Why his mind goes like this? Because of bad association. We need God association, not bad association.
Maybe he was greedy that.
Huh?
Maybe he was greedy that the tower.
Not greedy.
Yeah.
He had some imagination.
Oh.
Imagination. See, thinking is my enemy. How is my enemy? This good kid. Come. How cute he is.
Yeah.
Huh? How cute. How he is my enemy? Tell me. Huh? Correct. He is not my enemy. Correct. So like that, in one good. I declared in one interview, I don't have enemies. I don't have any enemy in the whole world. Why? Then that anchor says, maybe you think you don't have enemies, but the enemies think you are your enemy. This Bulli Bangartali name? Vihanya. Oh, భలే ఉంది.
First
So
first
we should not feel enmity. For example, his behavior, if I don't like, what I should do? Maybe I can tell, I can teach, if you listen. If you don't listen, namaskaram.
Namaste.
That only we can do. Not complaint. Correct? Not fighting. Correct? Because 4 fingers are not, 5 fingers are not same. All people thinking on is not same. You should adjust. Become best. We should become best. Unite is a must. Correct? When maybe that is playing cards or for a huh?
Playing, people are
Is there any use?
time
Only
pass.
killing time.
Yeah. Time. Yeah.
Don't use the word of time pass. Use the killing time.
Killing time.
Time pass means I get irritated actually.
Sorry.
No, I'm not hurting you. When I sit there, when they are playing, I felt bad, but I should control slowly. First, let me observe. They are not bad people, they are very good. But they don't know. I remember one shloka. You please all repeat. Kalakshepo. All repeat. Kalakshepo. Kalakshepo. Na kartavyam. Kshenamayur. Dine dine. Yamasya. Karuna. Nasti. Kartavyam. Dharma sangraham. So, shall I tell the meaning? Huh?
Yes.
Meaning of this sloka is Kalakshepo na kartavyam. Don't waste your valuable time. Kalakshepo na kartavyam. Don't waste your valuable time. Why? Kshenamayur dine dine. Every day our Ayush.
Your
Ayush means lifespan
Oh yeah.
is decreasing. Just now, you want join? You are the teacher. You sit there. You go there, please. Remove the bag. Kshenamayur dine dine. You can follow Telugu? Ammaya. One more Telugu talli. అమ్మయ్య ఓకే ఓకే మా తెలుగు తల్లులు బంగారు తల్లులు వన్ మోర్ బంగారు తల్ల అందుకే మంచి పిల్లలకి తల్లి బంగారు తల్లి కదా షీజ్ ఆల్సో బంగారు తల్లి షీజ్ ఆల్సో బంగారు తల్లి అంతే కదమ్మా రెడీ కదా ఏం చెప్తున్నాను మీతో లైఫ్ స్పాన్ డిక్రీజింగ్ వీ వాచ్ దట్ సన్సెట్ నౌ సో వెన్ సన్ రైజ్ అగైన్ tomorrow morning, correct? Like this in your life with 10-11 years?
10 and a half, yeah.
Okay. 10 years means 3,600 days.
600 days.
Almost. Okay? So in your life, 3,600 sunrise and sunsets. It's happened. Again one more tomorrow. So like this, another 3,600 means you get 20 years.
20 years.
Another 3,600 means you get 30 years. So days pass. 30 years, 40 years, 50 years. Vihanya. Oh, you are Vihanya. We వెంటనే తలిపించింది. So like this, every 3,600 days means you get another 10 years. So like that, 40 years, 50 years, 60 years, old. One day that comes, Yama, fold. Over. Correct? So here, this sloka explains, Kalakshepo na kartavyam. Don't waste your time because Kshenamayur dine dine. And Yamasya karna nasti. Yama means the death personification. He is not merciful to anyone. When time is over, you pluck just the bag, how you pluck. You don't think, oh, he's a very kid, he's very good, he's old, he's gold, but he fold before he told. Correct? Kalakshepona kartavyam, kshenamayarjane dine, yamasya karunanasti, kartavyam harikirtanam. What we should do before death comes? We should chant. Chant the holy name. Now our Bangal Talli will repeat and we will repeat.
Hare Krishna.
Read.
Hare Krishna.
అందరు చెప్పండి హరే కృష్ణ
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
హరే కృష్ణ
Krishna Krishna.
కృష్ణ కృష్ణ
Hare
హరే హరే
Hare Rama.
హరే రామ
Hare Rama.
హరే రామ
Rama Rama.
రామ రామ
Hare Hare.
హరే హరే. Once more, I want to give one gift for you. Read.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Krishna Krishna.
Krishna Krishna.
Hare Hare.
Hare Hare.
Hare Rama.
Hare Rama.
Hare Rama.
Hare Rama.
Rama Rama.
Rama Rama.
Hare Hare.
Hare Hare. Once more.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Krishna Krishna.
Krishna Krishna.
Hare Hare.
Hare Hare.
Hare Rama.
Hare Rama.
Hare Rama.
Hare Rama.
Rama Rama.
Rama Rama.
Hare Hare.
Hare Hare. Now, our Bangal Talli. Now you say once Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Total.
Hare Krishna.
Total.
Hare Krishna.
You don't tell, just you read.
You will read.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna. Hare Hare. Hare Rama. Hare Rama. Rama Rama. Hare Hare.
Bangal Talli, just press here. Okay. Once more you read.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna. Hare Hare. Hare Rama. Hare Rama. Rama Rama. Hare Hare.
Again press. Okay, how many?
2.
Twice you press and you got 2. So how many times supposed to read?
108.
You can. Correct? Only 10 minutes. Okay? This is from Vrindavan. Gift to our Bangal Talli. You can hang to this.
Thank you.
Okay? You chant every day.
Yes.
You can chant or can't.
Okay.
Chant, not can't. If you chant, you will get whatever you want. Understand? Understand? I used to, just kidding, joking. Please chant. Don't say can't. If you chant, you will get whatever you want. Otherwise, next life, you become ant or elephant. What do you say? You chant or can't? Either we get to Bangal Talli. Say chant. Bangal Talli. Okay? Nana. అందరూ ఒకసారి చెప్పండి హరే కృష్ణ హరే కృష్ణ 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 హరే 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 రామ హరే రామ 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 హరే హరే గోవిందా ఏడుకొండలవాడ వెంకటరమణ గోవిందా గోవిందా. సో మనం ఇలా బంగారు తల్లి పక్షపాతులం అయిపోతే మగవేదవులు ఏమైపోతారు? అన్యాయం కదా. So you should do justice to them also. One question for you. Can I? Okay. Yesterday you went for darshan?
Huh?
You went for darshan yesterday. Temple.
Yeah.
Who is there? ఎవరు చెప్పండి?
Which God is there?
Okay, which one?
God.
Telugu?
తెలుగు నో ప్రాబ్లం.
Telugu God అని చెప్పి.
తెలుగు గాడ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ గాడ్ ఏమంటారు? కాదు కన్నా. నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ద గాడ్. యు వెంట్ టు హిల్ నా? యు వెంట్ టు హిల్?
Yeah.
యు ప్రేడ్?
Yeah.
అక్కడ రానా? యు ప్రే?
Yeah.
You say Govinda? You said, you chant loudly? Now you chant. Say Govinda.
Goina.
Govinda. Say Govinda.
Goina.
Govinda.
Goina.
Like that, so many people are there now in a queue line. Hundreds of people say chanting Govinda. ఉన్నాడు కదా క్యూ లైన్ లో వీడు ఉన్నాడు కదా. ఓకే యూ హ్యాడ్ లడ్డు యు ఆర్ వెరీ గుడ్. యూ హ్యాడ్ లడ్డు అండ్ ఆల్సో ఫుడ్. కరెక్ట్. సో లార్డ్ నేమ్ ఈస్ దట్ లార్డ్ నేమ్ ఈస్ గోవిందా. వాట్స్ నేమ్?
Govinda.
గోవిందా. బాలాజీ, గోవిందా, శ్రీనివాస, వెంకటేశ్వర.
So many names.
So many names are there. He is appeared like this, correct? Beautiful mukut. Mukut means crown. Correct?